Let's navigate the MetaTrader together. Whether it's MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 is the same thing. For this video, I'm going to use MetaTrader 4. So before now, you need to download the MetaTrader from your Play Store. This is how it looks like. I already have it on my phone, so I will just go ahead to open it. And before you should use the MetaTrader 4, make sure you create an account with your broker, maybe a demo account or a live account. Like for example, I'm going to make this video using this demo account. I just created this demo account just for this video. For you to log into a MetaTrader, an MT4 or MT5 account, you need the MetaTrader 4 login ID or MetaTrader 5 login ID. You need the password, the MetaTrader 4 or 5 password. Then finally, you need the server name. The server name is very important. So you need three things: the server name, the login number, and the password to log into any MT4 or MT5. So let's get started. Once you just download an MT4, that is how it's going to show. It's going to show this way and ask you to accept. I'll click on accept, open an account. So if you should open this account, this is going to be an account with Mega Quote, that is the MetaTrader platform. So I don't want to open an account with them because that account is useless. So it's always better you open an account with your broker. Where you have Find Broker, that is where you input your server name. So I'm just going to copy my server name from here and paste eTrade Global Demo. I'll paste it there. Alright, that is it. It's asking for login and password. I'll just input. Have pasted the login and password. The next thing to do is click on sign in. It's connecting. Boom, the account is signed in. Inside this account there is $100 of demo money, that is paper money. You can't withdraw this money, it's just a demo account. Looking down on your screen, you see some tabs. The first tab is the quotes. This is where you see all the currency pairs you want to trade. If you want to add new currency pairs, for example, we don't have GBP JPY here, you click on the plus sign up here and you type GBP JPY, that is it there. Tap on it and it's going to be added into your quote. Then if you want to remove any currency pair or delete any currency pair from here, just tap on this pen icon. When you tap on it, you can delete any currency pair or asset from the quotes. So that is that. The next tab there is the charts. This is the chart. This is how it looks like. If you tap on it, you can navigate and change the time frame. The circle will toggle up and you can change the time frame. And this is where you have the trading tools, the lines, the horizontal lines if you want to plot them, and also indicators are also in here. You can remove the indicators. If you want to remove these indicators on the chart here, we have RSI here. Just tap on this screen, click on this F sign, this thing that is looking like F, then tap on delete, that recycle bin icon there. Select the RSI and the moving average, delete, and you see the icons have been deleted from the chart and the chart is now looking clean. The next tab is where you have the trades. If you should take a trade, everything will be showing here. This is where you have your balance, your equity, free margin. If you have any trade or any pending order, it's going to be showing here. The next tab is the history. This is where you have all your trade history. The next one is the news segments, and lastly is messages. You won't have anything to do with this news and messages. You will be working mostly with quotes, charts, trade, and history. From the menu up here where you have quotes, if you click on the menu, you can see manage accounts. So you can add more accounts to your MT4 app. Even if you have 10 or more MT4 accounts, you can add it on this one app. All you need to do is just click on the plus sign up there and click on login an existing account. Follow the steps again and you can log in the new accounts. Then also from the account, like from the menu button, you can access your settings. Where we have settings here, you can change the type of charts Right now it's on candlestick chart. You can change it to line chart or bar chart. You can customize the colors of the candles from here. So let's see how we can take a trade with MetaTrader4. We have this chart open. When you go, if you want to take a trade, you can take it from quotes or from the chart. So first we do from quotes. So from quotes, let's say we want to take a trade on Euro USD. You tap on Euro USD, you see new order. Tap on new order. This is going to come up. The first line here where you have 1.0 plus 0.01, that is where you select your lot size. That is your lot size. So let's say for this trade you want to use 0.03 as lot size, and the left hand side is where you input your stop loss. So let's say we want our stop loss to be 1.0800, then our take profit would be 1.11. You always input stop loss at the left hand side and take profit at the right hand side. Below you see sell or buy. If you want to buy, you click on buy. If you want to sell, you click on sell. On this video I want to buy, so I'll click on buy. That is it. The trade has been activated. So if you check here on the trades tab, you will see the trade running. Now to set pending order, it's almost the same thing. Let's say we want to set pending order on GBP JPY. So I'll tap on it, new order. Where you have market education, you change it to the pending order type you want. If it's buy limit, if it's sell limit, if it's buy stop or sell stop. So let's just say I want to set pending order on GJ sell limit. I click on sell limit. So I will choose my lot size. Let's say 0.02. Then where I want my limit order to be, let's say I want my limit order to be at 191.000. Then also I input my stop loss at the left. Remember, stop loss at the left, 192.00. then take profit at the right, let's say 190.00, and I will tap on place. It will place the limit order. So you can see the limit order on GBP JPY has been placed. Now if you want to modify your trade, let's say you took a trade and you want to modify the stop loss or the take profit, all you need to do is swipe to the right, come to trade, tap on the trade, swipe to the right hand side. This is going to come up. Then you tap on the pen icon you see there, the one at the middle. When you tap on it, it's going to show. Let's say we want to change stop loss. So here we change the stop loss to 1.081. Then you tap on modify, and it's going to modify your stop loss. The same thing for take profit. If you want to modify take profit, you want to close the trade. Let's say we want to close this trade now on Euro USD buy. The same thing is applicable. Just swipe to the right. When you swipe to the right, the first icon you see there, the check mark that is inside a circle, just tap on it. When you tap on it, you see close with loss. If it's in profit, you see close with profit, and you close it with profit. So let me just close so you see how it looks like. Close, order close. If I should switch to history, you will see it inside the history there. Now for history, you can also set up your history how you want it. Where you have this calendar icon at the top right corner, if you should tap on it, it's going to show you history for maybe 1 week, last month, 3 months, and you can also customize the duration of the history you want to see. One more thing, let's say you want to reduce your lot size. Let's just buy a random trade. Let's just take a random trade right here. Buy. You took a trade with 0.33 lot size. That is, you made a mistake with the lot size. If you want to reduce the lot size, all you need to do is tap on that trade, swipe to the right, the first tap there, the check mark icon there, tap on it. When it comes up at the top there where you have 0.33, which is the lot size, you can reduce it to whatever you want to. So when you reduce it and you close, you can now see the lot size have reduced from 0.33 to 0.14. That is similar to taking partial profits. Let's say you took a trade with 0.14 and the trade is moving in your favor, you want to close partial profit. it's similar. You do the same thing. That is basically it.